Hey guys, so this is a tutorial on how to clean your Cuisinart coffee maker. So you take some water, about 4.5 cups, and then you put about 1.5 cups of white wine vinegar, and then after you do that, you come over here and you press the clean button. Make sure that the light turns on, right? And you take the pot and you pour it into where you usually pour the coffee water in, right? And then after that, you close the pot and put it back in, and then you close it and you turn it on, and it'll basically brew the hot water and the vinegar into the pot, and that's how you clean your Cuisinart coffee maker.